Hi, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and watch other videos that I've done as well. So basically what I'm going to show you today is how I have polished out, or brushed out should I say, the polished center links on my Geo bracelet for my SeaQ. As you can see, I've kind of got these bits already apart. It's pretty simple to do. It turns 90 degrees on each one and then they kind of come apart. So really simple, really nice style bracelet as well. It's really built really well compared to a lot of other bracelets I've done, even Tudor and things like that. Anyway, so as you can see, the outers are brushed, and these ones are ones I've already done. So if I can get a little bit better detail, there you go. So you can see it's more or less, if I just turn that over, the same. Get it back in focus. Come on. There we are. There you can see. And now you can see that that's really matched really nicely, and you can see what it was before. So basically all I've done is I've got 3 different types, M3 or 3M should I say. So this is the coarse, medium and the fine, and all you do is get your center link like that, as you can see, and just lightly do it. And as you can see, it starts to brushed effect on the link. It's a bit hard to do with one hand, but you kind of get the idea. So that's that, and then you basically move over to the next stage, which is the medium. As you can see, it's getting there, but not quite. And you basically just keep doing that until you get to a happy standard. Like that, and then you move on to the fine when you really just want to finish it off. Again, it's a lot easier when you've got both hands, but I'm holding my phone because I haven't got a mount, but first world issues and all that. Well, you see, so as you can see, just like that. So and that's it. You just kind of do that until you got to a good point, and then you put the bracelet back together. So hope that helps you. Many thanks for watching, and please subscribe.